Hello everyone, you are welcome to this class. So in this video, we want to look at questions to addition and subtraction of algebraic fractions. So the first question asks us to simplify 9p over 4m minus 8q over 7n. So the first question, 9p all over 4m minus 8q all over 7n. So the first thing you need to do, the same way we solve uh, fractions, addition and subtraction of other fractions without being algebraic fractions, it's the same way we are going to do this. So the first thing you need to do here is find the LCM of the denominators. And the denominators are 4m and 7n. If you look at it, 4 cannot divide 7. So in that case, you multiply the two of them together, right? So that's going to give us 28, right? And then mn together will give us what? 20 mn. So that's what we have, 28 mn. And if we don't want to do it that way, you can decide to make use of this as well. It's allowed. 4m then 7n rather. So 4 2 can go, this will remain 2m and 7n. 2 can still go, m 7n 7 m n m 1 n n 1 1. So you see 2 times 2 4 4 times 7, which is 28. So I hope that is very clear, the mn. So without going to make use of 28 mn divided by 4m, what are we going to have? So m will cancel m. We have done simplification of algebraic fractions, so this will make it easier. So 4 in 28, that gives us 7. So that is 7n. So 7n times 9p, 7n. So whatever you, after you are, if you have used this to divide this, whatever you get will be multiplied by the numerator. That is 7n times what? 9p. So 7 times 9 is 63. N times p is what? Np. So this will be what? 63 np minus. So the same thing will be done to the second one. That's 28 mn divided by what? 7n. N cancel n. 7 in 28 is 4m. That is 4m. That's going to be 4m multiplied by hq. 4m multiplied by what? hq. 4 times 8 is 32 mq. So this will be 32 mq. So if you look at the options we have here, we have 3np or pn. So you can write this as pn as well. Then minus 32 mq over 28 mn. So it is option B that is the answer. Option B. And if you look at the option B itself, so without finishing everything, you know that it's option B, because if you look at option A, the denominator you have that is 18 mn and our LCM is 28 mn. The same thing with C and what? And D. So from there, you know that the answer is what? B. I hope that is very clear. So let's go to question number 2. Question number 2 now. For question number 2, we have to simplify this as well. This is 3x y all over 4 plus xy all over 5. Is that clear? So here now, so find the LCM between the denominators 4 and 5, and the LCM of 4 and 5 is 20. Right. So there's no for us to sit down. So 20 divided by 4 gives 5. So that means 5 times 3xy. That's going to give us 15xy. I hope I'm making sense. All right. Plus 20 divided by 5, that gives what? 4. Right? 4 times xy will give us what? 4xy. So you can see that what we have there, we have xy here. We can add them to that's 15 plus 4 will give us 19xy divided by what? 20. 19xy divided by 20. That means the answer is option A. I hope this is very clear. So question number 3 now. Question number 3. For question number 3, we have uh, 2x all over 4 plus x all over 6 minus 3x all over 8. So the same thing will be done here. We find the LCM of 4, 6, and 8. So let's make use of this, right? Let's make use of this. 4, 6, 8. 2 can go. That is 2, 3, 4. 2 can still go. 1, 3, 2. 2 can still go. 1, 3, 1. Then 3 can go. 1, 1, 1. So 2 times 2 times 2, that is 8. 8 times 3 is 24. I hope that is very clear. So 24 divided by 4, that gives 6. So 6 times 2x will give us what? 12x. I hope that is clear. Then 24 divided by 6 is 4 times x, that is going to be 4x, minus 8 divided by 24, that's going to be 3. 3 times 3x minus 9x. So we can then, when you have this together, this is going to give us 16. 16 minus 9, and that's going to give us 7. So that's going to be 7x all over what? 24. And then that is option B as well. So go to question number 4 now. Question number 4. So question number 4, we have this. So you have to simplify m minus 2 all over 3n. So what you're going to do here, this m is a whole term, so you can make it a fraction by putting over 1 there. Then we find the LCM between the denominators, which is 1 and 3n. So the LCM will be 3n. So 3n divided by 1 is 3n. 3n times m is going to be 3mn minus 3n in 3n. That is going to give us 1. 1 times 2 is going to be 2. So in that case, the answer is 3mn minus 2 over 3n. That is option D. Option D. Then go to question number 5 now. For question number 5, so we have this 1 all over p minus 1 all over q. So what we're going to have here is find the LCM. The LCM of p and q is pq. So pq divided by q by p is q. Q times 1 is q minus pq divided by q is p. P times 1 is what? P. So the answer is equal to q minus p divided by pq. Q minus p. Q minus p. You have to be very careful with the options. Q minus p over q, pq, that is option A. Is that clear? So if you look at option A and option D, they look alike, but they are not the same. So let's go to question number 6 now. Question number 6. For question number 6, we have to simplify 5t minus 3t minus 2 divided by 4. So the same thing here, we make this one a fraction. You find the LCM, which is 4. 1 in 4 is 4. 4 times 5t is 20t. Minus, you have to be very careful here. 4 divided by 4 is 1. That is 1. Multiply by everything we have there, which is 3t minus 2. So if care is not taken, you make mistake here. Please follow the steps strictly. So this is going to give us 20t. So we now open the bracket now. Minus 1 times 3t minus 3t. Minus 1 times minus 2, that's going to be plus 2. Divided by what? Divided by 4. Divided by 4. So that means you're going to have 20t minus 3t will give us 17t plus 2 all over what? All over 4. So that is that. So 17t plus 2 all over 4, and that is option B. Option B. So we'll go to the next question, question number 7. question number 7 here. Okay, so for question number 7, so we have 2x minus 3 divided by 5 plus 3x plus 4 divided by 2. All right, so here for this, you also find the LCM of 5 and 2. That is going to give us 10. All right, so 10 divided by 5 gives us 2. So we're going to use 2 to multiply everything we have at the numerator. So that's going to be 2 into bracket 2x minus 3. Please don't jump this step. Don't. Actually, when you get to a particular stage in this process, there's no for you to do. You can multiply it out straight. But if care is not taken, you only use these 2 to multiply 2x. You forget to multiply by what? By 3. So that is why you have to open this bracket for it so that we not forget. So plus 10 divided by 2, that gives 5. So 5 is multiplying 3x plus 4, right? So this is going to give us, so 2 times 2x, that's going to give us 4x, minus 2 times 3, that's going to be minus 6, plus 5 times 3x, that's going to give 15x, plus 5 times 4 is going to give us 20. Everything divided by what? By 10, right? So we then move on to this. So if we collect like terms the numerator here. So 4x plus 15x, then plus 20 minus 6, everything divided by what? By 10. So from here now, so we can then 4x plus 15x, that's going to give us 19x. 20 minus 6, that's giving us what? Plus 14. Everything divided by what? By 10. So 19x plus 14 divided by 10. 19x plus 14 divided by 10. That is option D, dear. I hope that is very clear. Then go to question number 8 now. Question number 8. So we have this as well. 4x plus 1 divided by 3 minus x minus 3 divided by what? 6. So for this, we're going to find the LCM of 3 and 6, and that is going to be 6. Some of you will multiply 3 by 6 and it will give you 18. You are still correct, but you still have to simplify it at the end of the day. So it's better you find the LCM correctly, so which is 6 here. So right, so 3 and 6 will give us 2. So 2 will multiply everything at the top. That's going to be 2 into 4x plus 1 minus 6 divided by 6 is 1, is multiplying x minus 3. So we open the brackets now. So 2 times 4x is going to give us 8x. 2 times 1 is going to give us 2, right? Minus 1 times x is going to minus x. Minus 1 times minus 3 give us what? Plus 3. So everything divided by 6. So we can then collect like terms. That's going to be x, 8x minus x plus 2 plus 3 divided by what? 6. I hope I'm making sense. So 8x minus x gives us 7x. 2 plus 3 gives us what? 5 divided by what? 6. So that is that on that. 7x plus 5 divided by what? 6. That is option C. Then move to the next question, question number 9. For question number 9 now, so what we have here, simplify x minus 6, everything in brackets, minus 2 into brackets, x minus 2 divided by 4. So what we're going to do, we make this one a single fraction, that is x minus 6 over 1, minus, first open the bracket here, this is going to give us 2x minus 4 all over 4. Is that clear? So from here now, we find the LCM of 1 and 4, which is 4. So 1 in 4 is 4. So that's 4 times x minus 6 minus 4 in 4 is 1. 1 times what? 2x minus 4. So we open the bracket again. This is going to give us 4x minus 24 minus 2x plus what? Plus 4 divided by what? 4. So solve it further. So we collect like terms. That's 4x minus 2x minus 24 plus 4, everything all over 4. So 4x minus 2x is going to give us 2x minus 24 plus 4 is going to give us minus 20 all over what? All over 4. So the question is that, are we going to leave our answer like this? No, because we still have something that can go in the three terms in 2x, 20x, and 4x. So let's factorize 2x minus 20. That's going to be 2 outside, x minus 10, everything divided by 4. So 2 here 1, 2 here 2. So that means we have x minus 10 all over 2. That is the answer, the x minus 10 all over 2. That's option A. I hope that is very clear. Now, so if guys not taking, be saying there's no answer in this, but when you get to this place, right? So no. So look at it and see what they have done. So sometimes questions will be like that. You know it, you have done it correctly, but you not see your answer. So it means you still need to simplify further, because the question has to simplify. That's the question. So the last question we have here, question number 10. Question number 10. So we have so what we have there is simplify 3x minus 1 all over 5 minus x plus 8 all over 10. So for this, so the same thing will be done. We'll find the LCM, which is LCM of 5 and 10, which is 10. So 10 divided by 5, that is 2. So 2 is multiplying 3x minus 1 minus 10 in 10 is 1. So 1 is multiplying x plus what? 8. You notice that I don't just ignore the 1 because of this negative sign we have there. So if you ignore it, it will affect your marks at the end of the day. It will affect your final answer at the end of the day. So 2 times 3x is going to give us 6x minus 1. Minus 1, 2 times minus 1 is minus 2. You can see the same thing. I wanted to make the mistake here. So which is very, very important. You look at it very well when you are solving it. So minus 1 times x will give us minus x. Minus 1 times plus 8 will give us minus 8 divided by what? Divided by 10. Right? So in this case, we collect like terms 6x minus x minus 2 minus 8, everything divided by 10, and this will then give us 6x minus x, that's going to be 5x, minus 2 minus 8 is going to be minus 10, all over what? All over 10. So if you look at it, there is no option that looks like this. So we now go back to it. Since you have done it correctly, right? So now you still need to solve it further. So 5 can go in everything. Let's factorize 5. That will be x minus 2 all over 10. So 5 here 1, 5 here 2. So this will then equal to x minus 2 all over 2. Do we have something like that? X minus 2 over 2, that is option B. So you can see that this is very, very easy and straightforward. So this is what we're going to stop in this video. So watch the video very well and pay attention to details there. So meet the next video. Bye for now. Thanks for watching.